Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, there's a big chunk of Spam. We're gonna turn that into a hot dog bun, relish, mustard, and a little butter. Well, you already did guess, because it was in the intro. Mike Foster, how you doing? It's a Spamdog. Woof, woof. You know, if you had a little dog, call it Spam. Be a nice name for a dog. It's fast, simple, and easy. I'll show you how I get the dog ready, the Spam, and then we'll fry this baby up. All right, here's the Spam. It's a nice chunk. You see it? Basically, the hot dog is here. One piece here, and one piece here. There's your one hot dog. This one I'm gonna carve down a little, maybe a little like that. And here's your two hot dogs. Meet you at the stove. All right, we have a medium pan. Let's put a little butter on there, just a little. So it won't get sticky too much. We're also gonna put the bun in here. Here's the one hot dog piece of Spam. Here's the other. This is gonna take a couple minutes on each side. And we'll put this nice hot dog roll right here. Keep flipping them. Let's keep flipping them. There you go. And then you check these. That one's almost ready. Just get a nice, these are already buttered buns. You're just gonna keep rotating these till they're cooked, a nice brown, as you can see, on each side. These are gonna be probably another couple minutes. When they're done, I'll meet you over at the counter, put this baby together. Let's get a little mustard down. Yeah, because you need the mustards. Here's one of those dogs. Put that baby right there. We just want it to be like a hot dog. So this one's a little bigger. I'm gonna cut it in half. Put that one right there. There's a hot dog. A little more mustard on top. Relish. To me, the best hot dog is relish, mustard, sometimes onion, sometimes sauerkraut, never ketchup. And God, please, no mayonnaise. You could never put mayonnaise on a hot dog, could you? Believe it, people do. Flip it. There's your hot dog. Big bite coming up. Well, there's another close-up. Boy, that looks just like a hot dog, but it's made out of Spam. And who cares what it looks like if it doesn't taste good? As they say, nothing to do with what to do. That's gonna be for the big bite. Man, is that good. I'll say it again. After I've done chewing, man, is that good. Simple, simple, simple. If you don't have hot dogs, make a Spam dog. Visit Live Life 365 and all my socials. Till next time. It's a mess.
Live life 365.
Well, we'll let you guess. I'll meet you at the stove. No! It ain't brain surgery, guys. Alrighty, that's what I'm talking about right there. What does a hot dog need? That's a sweet bubble. Just get centered. Check it out. What the hell? Why do I do these things? People ask me. They ask me, like, why do you do these things? Well, because I say, because I do them for you. And the sweet baba.